Hey guys, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning into Charlani TV. In today's video, we are gonna jump right in and spend a productive day together. You gotta go potty? All right, Bubba's, come on. Okay, you sit down and stay. Stay. It's a good boy, you stay there. Hold on. Hold on. Almost. Hold on. Just a minute. Okay, go. This guy, he is a nut. And if we let him out too early, he'll try to bite the bottom of the door. It's like this frantic situation that I don't even know. So we just make him sit there and wait until the door is halfway up. It's just this crazy, weird, compulsive thing he does, and it's like the only thing he does. So try to eliminate the situation altogether. So instead of my morning coffee, we now have our go-go juice. It's just healthy caffeine from green tea. It's what Rob and I have been drinking for years now. And while I mix it up, I like to just go in and say a good morning to my Instagram friends. And I decided that I needed to paint my nails. So when I went in to grab my nail polish, I decided to do a quick pickup of my countertops. And obviously, one of the items on today's to-do list is to take care of these dishes. So I get back into my office and I just start on my nails. I figure I will let them dry as I get some work done. And popped in my current audiobook, which is Relentless by Tim Grover. It's awesome and highly recommended if you want a good kick in the butt. I love personal development books and leadership books and business books. They absolutely fill my cup and just make you think. And, you know, we're all in the process of becoming better peoples. So absolutely love it. I started this workday by checking into my online virtual fit club. This is a community that I've created to help people become healthy, stay healthy, and just learn to make better choices. And I'm also creating content for this month. We have what's called a daily accountability post. So I'm going in there and I'm just creating some content for everyone for this upcoming week. This is what absolutely fills my cup. I love being an online wellness coach. It just makes me so happy. Another passion of mine is time management. I truly believe that if you can take control of what you do throughout your day and you stay focused and you stay intentional with what you're doing with your time, you can get so much done. And done without a ton of stress and anxiety behind it. My planner for the week is done. I love the way it came out. I love a fresh page, and you'll see that this is what it looks like before and this is what it looks like after. I love blocking out my time, and within that block of time I work from a list. This is the way that I have managed my time for many years. So this feels really good that this is done. I am fairly new to being consistent here on my YouTube channel. I love this platform. I love creating content. I love editing videos, but I'm still kind of feeling out my style and what I want to do. And every time I put a new video up, I've learned one more thing, just another thing to make things a little bit easier. I wanted to create an outro like this for a long time, so I'm glad I made the time today. I love the way this came out, so definitely going to use it probably for this video here, but I love the way that it came out. I love the colors. I am all about the bright colors, so this is definitely something that I am excited to use. I've gone ahead, my planner for the week is already situated, so we are good to go here. There are a few other things that I need to get done, like dishes, laundry. So I'm gonna go ahead and step out of my office for a while and get some other things done. We're doing good so far. The laundry is going, bed is made. Now I'm going to tackle the dishes. We have a bunch, so I'm gonna go ahead and unload the dishwasher, get these reloaded, and then I need to clean our vacuum cleaner, so that's gonna be interesting. I'm using my Method granite cleaner. It's all natural stuff. I just think it's a good idea to use all natural things when you're working around a kitchen where you're gonna have food, and holy, were these countertops dirty. Watching that playback, I was like, whoa. I didn't even know they were that dirty. This camera is amazing. So we're getting the dishwasher started and kitchen is just about done. I decided to start my day. My first meal of the day is a chopped green salad. This is one of my absolute favorite ways to get in all the veggies. As I was walking into my office, this is going to be a working lunch, I heard the dryer bell ding. So I went in to switch over the laundry and to get the next batch of loads started. Usually while I'm eating lunch, this is when I go in and I check in with my team of coaches who are building businesses alongside me, just making sure everybody is on track and ready for the week ahead. Then on to getting some laundry folded. This is my least favorite chore ever to do. I would rather clean toilets than fold laundry, but this is adulting, right? But I am grateful because I get to work from home and also still stay on top of the chores. This is Kai's dog run. This is where he does his business. So I've already come in, I picked up all of the poop, and now I'm just gonna take our rake through it, and then we're going to clean the rocks. And I'll show you what I use for that. So this is the stuff I use. I just get it at PetSmart or Petco. I always forget which one it is. I think it's PetSmart. But I just get this, and what we'll do is this nozzle right here attaches to the hose, and then it'll spray out on this side. It is amazing, and I was so thankful because I was afraid Rob had thrown this away because this is almost pretty much empty. It's what I used last time, but I just got the refill because it's actually a lot cheaper to get it this way than to just keep buying these bottles, and this will last 2 or 3 washes. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up with this, and then we're gonna attach it to the hose, and we're gonna go ahead and get everything nice and clean. And we are nice and clean, and it smells wonderful back here. I always feel really good when this is done. Soon we will have plants growing back there. Not a lot made it with that freeze we just had, and it's just not in season right now, but it'll look pretty back here once we've got greenery and color back there too. But this is done. We can check this off the to-do list today. So now it is shaky o'clock, and I just opened a new bag of frozen cauliflower. I love adding this into my shakes because not only does it make it a little bit creamier, but you're also adding in extra veggies and you cannot even taste it. I've added about a cup of unsweetened coconut oat milk. It's by the Moolah brand. Absolutely love it. Got my chocolate superfoods and veggies. I added in a scoop of collagen. We've got some focused energy. It's just a little bit of a brain boost in there. Adding in also some cinnamon and then a blob of sun butter. One of my favorite things to add to my superfoods and veggies shake for sure. And then we top it off with a little bit of water, add in some ice, and we are ready to go. I've noticed that it blends better when I let the liquid run down into the blades and then have the ice and the powder kind of sitting on top of that. So I let it kind of drain that way. And I wish you guys could smell this. It smells absolutely wonderful and definitely something that hits my chocolate cravings for sure. I used to run my Fit Club over in Facebook, but we've moved it into this app that is so cool. And you get to not only have a community that is keeping you accountable and supporting you every day, but this is also where we track and log when we get our superfoods and veggies in, when we get our workouts done. It's such an awesome platform. And it's where we share lots of tips, resources, meal plans, recipes, all the good things. So I decided I wanted to take apart my vacuum cleaner. This is the Dyson V11. Love it. If you've ever heard me talk about my vacuum, you know I love this. So I went ahead and just cleaned out a lot of the dust, cleaned the filter out, but I wanted to use it, so I actually didn't run the filter underwater, which you totally can. So I'll save that for another day. We've got laundry is folded. These need to be hung, obviously. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here because I still have a couple of loads in here going. Rob is making burgers on a campfire tonight. Yes?
Yes.
We're very excited about that. So that is going to be our dinner for the night. But I am gonna go ahead and get myself showered up. Smells so good out here, doesn't it? Let's see. Oh yeah. Those look yummy. Okay, so those look a lot more done than I thought. So we're gonna eat very soon. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and we're just gonna put some of this laundry away. I was gonna wait until the rest of the laundry's done and just do it all at one time, but since I have like 10 minutes, I might as well knock this out. So I'm gonna do that, then eat, then shower. Rob and I try to make an effort to eat dinner together each night. Even though we both work from home, we rarely see each other during the day, so we kind of come together at night and talk about the day and all that good stuff. So I showered and I even got to blow dry my hair. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for spending the day with me. I think we got so much done. Definitely a super productive day. I am ready to tackle this week ahead. I hope you guys are too. So thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. This is a new kind of way to do my video. So let me know if you like it. A little bit vlog style, a little bit of everything, just kind of a day in my life. So I do hope that you like it. Again, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. Bye guys.